Okay guys, cupcakes are ready. We're gonna learn the Paw Patrol's favorite candy. If you wanna know mine, wait till the end.
That's right, kids. You heard Poppy. Today we are gonna learn all of the Paw Patrol's favorite candies. Oh, and we're gonna look at some of their friends like the Cat Pack too. So, let's get going. Chase, Snickers, Marshall, Milky Way, Sky, Kit Kat Bar, Rubble on the double, Reese's Big Cup with potato chips, Rocky, Nature Valley granola bars, Zuma, Twix with sea salt, Everest, Twix, the ice cream bars, Tracker, Cliff's Bar Sierra Trail Mix, Mighty Twins, Zagnut Bar, Rex, Haribo Dinosaurs, of course, Ryder, A Good Old Payday, Mayor Humdinger, Sour Patch Kids, Mayor Goodway, Peanut M&M's, Chicoletta, Chico Sticks, Cat Pack, Swedish Fish, Robo-Dog, Pez, and Claw. Haribo Draken Candy.
My favorite candy is Twix.
Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and come see us again next time. Bye-bye.